Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a morning routine. I haven't filmed one of these since I think back in Vlogmas, which I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do. And comment down below if you have any other video requests for me because I'd love to know. And let's just get into the video. My alarm clock goes off at 5:30 Monday through Friday. I love waking up this early. I just feel so refreshed and just so productive when I wake up super early. So I just stretch and then I get out of bed. I absolutely adore my Lily Pulitzer bedding. It makes me so happy every morning. Then I just turn on my light, and this light is so cute. It's from Target. And I like to drink a lot of water right when I wake up. I just find it really refreshing, and this water bottle is from shop 2313 Glitter Ave. It's so adorable. I make my bed. I think making your bed every morning is just so important. It makes you feel so put together. I like to listen to my Year of Positivity playlist on Spotify. It just has such happy and upbeat music on it. It's just a great way to start my day. I then head over to my dresser and pick out my workout clothes. Sometimes I'll do this the night before, but usually I do it in the morning because I forget to do it. And I just get dressed, and I'm always so excited to do a workout in the morning because it's done. You can get your whole day started then. So I'm in my car driving to Orange Theory because I seriously love going to Orange Theory. I listen to really fun pump up music. That way I'm kind of awake when I get there because I do the early morning classes. And lately it's been so beautiful driving there because I get to see the sunrise. But I just seriously love Orange Theory. So much fun. And then once I get home, it's light outside and I just head up to my room. I like to turn all my lights on, get my desk all situated because I do a lot of work at my desk throughout the day. I get my day designer out, and I love this planner so much. If you want to see a plan with me, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But I just write my to-do list for today. I like to do this in the morning because I can kind of get started and just make sure I get everything done. I'll even write down the littlest things like take a shower and read, but I also write down like my bigger tasks for the day, like getting a blog post out, editing videos. It just depends. And then I go and take a shower. I have been using this purple shampoo like crazy lately since I do have blonde hair, and I got it at Sally's Beauty Salon. Then I just go down to the kitchen and make a protein smoothie. And if you guys watch my vlogs, I eat a protein shake every morning. Absolutely love it. I use my Magic Bullet, and I love this Quest protein powder. It's the peanut butter flavor. One of my favorites. I love peanut butter, you guys. So I just use like 5 ice cubes in water, and then the protein powder. It's great if you're on a calorie counting diet because it's only like 110 calories, I think. So it's really low in calories, and it's really, really filling. So it just blends up. And then I like to pour it into a separate cup. I just find it more enjoyable that way, and I like to eat a banana too. I go through my closet and pick out my outfit that I want to wear for today, and then I sit down and start putting my makeup on at my vanity. I like to keep it really simple during the summer. I post a lot of my makeup tutorials on Instagram if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial, and I put on my fake eyelashes last because they take the longest, but I just love wearing them and they make me feel so put together. So then I move on to my hair, and I use these little elastic bands to pin back my bangs because I like to Dutch braid them into a little part kind of thing. It just pulls them out of my face, which I think is perfect for summer because I like wearing my hair down in the summertime, but I don't like having it in my face since I did just get full bangs. But they're growing out, which I'm kind of happy about, but I did like them a lot. So I just do this really quickly. It's just a simple Dutch braid, so you braid underneath and pull it back like you would a French braid. And then after that, I like to go through and thicken it up by pulling the pieces out. And occasionally I'll take my flat iron out. I got this one at Target. I think it was around $20, and I'll straighten a few of the pieces just because sometimes my hair can be very crazy wavy and just interesting. But you know, sometimes in the summer I like to wear it very natural just so it grows longer. I don't like to use heat every single day, but like I said, occasionally I will use it. And then this is just my outfit. I like to look at it in my big OOTD mirror before I go anywhere. I just have on this polo shirt, some J. Crew chino shorts, and my Jack Rogers. I love the pink and white combination. I feel like it's super summertime and just so fun to wear and perfect for summertime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any video requests because I'd love to know. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!